Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to download CarX Street on your Android mobile device using two different methods. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your internet browser. So click into that and then in Google type in APK Pure. APK Pure, click on the first result. APK Pure, and in the search bar type in, wait for it to load, CarX Street. Click on search and then click on download X APK 1.2 gigabytes, the size. Wait for it to load. Alright, on this page here, scroll down a bit and then click on download or fast download with APK Pure or download X APK file. I'm going to go ahead and click the second option. And as you can see, it's downloading a file. If I click on the details, it'll bring up my downloads. And there you go, 23 meg of 1.17 gigabytes, 5 minutes left. Alright, that's the first method, guys. The second method is to head back to your main screen, click into your Play Store, search for CarX Street, and there it is there, CarX Street. So you go ahead and click on install, wait for it to load, and there it is there. It's installing 1.13 gigabytes. So that's the two different ways to download and install CarX Street, guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.